Yeah.
We'll revisit
We'll
that.
revisit that in an hour.
One thing we have been revisiting is the cloudy conditions that have been coming in and the drop in humidity. It's been so nice overnight last night. We've been able to enjoy such a fantastic evening going into the overnight hours and now into this morning. Now things are expected to change as we get later on into the day. The humidity is going to rise one more time, and then we're expecting for warmer conditions to settle back in with the more muggy feeling one more time. I zoom out a bit more to show you the rest of the state of Texas, at least from central Texas downwards into the Rio Grande Valley. Lots of cloud coverage that's coming in, and we do anticipate for that to continue over the next couple of days as we look at partly cloudy to mostly cloudy conditions. But unfortunately, the temperature is not going to work in our favor as we continue to just skirt under record temperatures, and in fact could even hit a record temperature again tomorrow. 81 degrees in Austin right now, 83 out towards San Marcos. In the Hill Country, we're around 77 to 79 degrees, and then out towards the eastern counties, we're looking at about 76 in Rockdale to about 80 degrees as you get out towards Giddings. As we look at your highs for today, we'll be back to where we were yesterday, which is those mid-90s in many of the spots, 92 to about 96 as you get into the downtown area. And this tonight will be actually down to about 73, which is a bit warmer than what we saw early this morning, but that's the key difference right there. The humidity returns one more time. Mostly cloudy conditions, and the winds, they'll shift. They'll start coming in from the southeast at around 10 to 15 miles per hour. And so let's play this out over the next couple of days. This is our graph model. Again, partly cloudy conditions as the day goes on, but we're going to be watching out for Thursday because that's when the warm front is expected to come back in. That gives us a chance of seeing a few showers out there, maybe a little rumble of thunder as well as we start to go throughout the evening hours into the overnight hours. The chances of rain continue at least Thursday going into Friday. Friday should be fine as we get into Saturday, 98 degrees, partly cloudy skies. We get out towards Sunday, we start to see the rain chances start to pick up one more time, 30% chance of rain with mostly cloudy skies. And then as we get into Memorial Day, Monday, a front comes through, a late May Memorial front. It's not going to be the biggest changer in the world, but what it will do is create some instability, and we'll see some showers coming back one more time. So tomorrow, 98 degrees, Friday, 97. That'll continue at least until we get out towards Sunday. And as we get into Monday, Memorial Day, temperatures at around 89 degrees for those who are going to go out and visit any areas for those who have fallen for our country. As we get into Tuesday, 85 degrees, and by Wednesday, 89 degrees with the chance of rain continuing. Let's go and send it over to Rich Segal.
All right, Freddie, thank you. Time now is 11:17. We're going to be talking a lot during the next few months about the cone of uncertainty as we start the Atlantic, Caribbean, and Gulf hurricane season on June 1st. This is the old cone. It only really showed the path, the projected path of the storm. As you see, it fans out because of the unpredictability of where the storm could land. This is from Hurricane Rita back in September of 2005. Well, the new one is going to do a little bit more. You see a lot more color here. Now, this is from Hurricane Helene last year, and you see the yellow shade indicating the inland effects that it could have, what it could do, the flooding that could occur, the wind damage that could occur. And so we're going to see a lot more detail on the cone as we go through this upcoming hurricane season. By the way, the Eastern Pacific hurricane season started on the 15th, and we have one storm out there, or rather one system out there right now, so they're getting an early start to the Eastern Pacific season. Well, on Thursday at 6 o'clock, you can catch the First Warning Weather's team's Summer Outlook. Again, tomorrow on KXAN at 6 o'clock. In Avery, we were out on Jim Spencer's boat without Jim Spencer to talk about the upcoming summer season.
And y'all